Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how I made this piece. It's a nebula obviously, and I called it Sacred Energy. It's like a vortex in Sedona where I sell my art at Exposure's International Gallery of Fine Art in Arizona. It's a vortex. It's a sacred vortex. So it's really befitting for me to have made this kind of a design. I was asked by several of my friends, they go, why don't you just do something kind of round, kind of revolving around like a vortex, like a nebula, it'd be perfect. And I go, oh gosh, okay. And I did, and I'm so glad I did. It was a little difficult for me. I tried to make lacing and cells on it, and it was a tough one for me, but it came out really beautiful. I decided not to put really large pieces of glass in here, but more of the silver and clear glass pieces exemplify the nebula, the more diffuse type of thing, more gentle, more soothing, and very glamorous and beautiful, and I just loved making it. I'm going to definitely do this again. So let's go ahead and watch the video. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my video and my creation, and I really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. So for now, happy arting. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.